If you're encountering matchmaking errors in FIFA 24, particularly the error code 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance updates that could be affecting matchmaking. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Completely power off your gaming console or PC and then turn it back on. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test to ensure your internet connection is stable and meets the requirements for online gaming. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Adjust network settings. If you're using a router, try enabling UPnP Universal Plug and Play or port forwarding for FIFA 24. This can improve your connection to the game servers and reduce matchmaking errors. Step 5. Reinstall FIFA 24. If the issue persists, uninstall FIFA 24 and then reinstall it. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing a matchmaking error. If you followed all these steps and are still experiencing issues, consider reaching out to EA Support for further assistance.